Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to see about managing the multiple FTDs over here. So till now we have seen that we are managing only one FTD. Now let's look how many FTDs you can manage from single FMC. So now this is my FMC. So now this one is virtual. So in our lab this is a virtual, so it will be maximum number of FTDs or ASAs you can manage is 2. Or if you like to manage more than that one, then you have to deploy your FMC in the ESXi or in a VMware and allocate the proper resources. So we are using the resources over here like 3 CPUs, virtual CPUs, and 8 GB of RAM. So in virtually you have to, if you want to manage more than 2, then you have to give at least 32 GB of RAM and at least 6 virtual CPUs. So in order to work smoothly. So now let's look how many devices we can manage from that. So first we will look in the perspective of the virtualization. So in the KVM which we are using in our GNS3, we can manage maximum number of 2. If you want to go with more than 2, then you can go ahead with the ESXi or vCenter deployment, and you can control up to 25 devices, maximum of 25 devices, and you will get a license for 2 or 10 or 25 for virtualization. So more than 2 means you have to purchase a license for 10, and more than 10 means you have to purchase a license for 25. So this is with respect to the virtualization, and there is one more special type of device that is known as FMC 300. So this is the mostly highly like a big boss. So it can control up to 300 FTDs virtually. This is a virtual FMC which is known as virtual FMC 300, which can control up to 300 FTDs, and I think it needs 128 GB of RAM, and it needs 64 cores of CPU. It can be any, but 64 virtual cores CPUs. So that's the configuration of the FMCV. So this is the only device which can manage up to 300 device. No physical device can manage that much. So coming to the physical device, like if you have a physical device model number of FMC 1600, which can manage up to 50, and if you have one more thing that is 2600 model which can manage up to 300, and there is another one is known as 4600 which can manage up to 750. In virtualization, this is the only one which can manage up to 300, and in the physical, this is the 4600 model which can manage up to 750. So this is the highest number of sensors you can manage via FMC, and these are with respect to the physical. So this is the brief introduction of how many devices you can control with respect to from the FMC, with respect to the virtualization, and with respect to the physical device. I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.